Neera Serene here at Om Karma, and from the segment Spiritual Gym, bringing to you to live the spiritual way of life. Today I'm going to be talking about something which we say that there are three things, and one is that you identify your soul learning. Secondly is you identify your life purpose, and third is you identify your roles. The roles that we play, we play so many different roles. कितनी तरह के भिन्न भिन्न रोल्स, रिश्तों के रोल्स, वर्क एरिया में रोल्स, अपने ज़िंदगी में कितने तरह के रोल्स हम प्ले करते हैं. एंड इट इज़ ऑलवेज more sensible to not get attached to the roles that we are playing, because basically what are we doing? We are just mediums, playing that role, or possibly we are just providing something in that role. And so why to get attached? Because जो truth है, जो सच्चाई है, वो रोल्स में तो नहीं है ना. वो तो हम प्ले कर रहे हैं रिश्तों के तहत या फिर समाज के तहत जो भी रोल हम प्ले कर रहे हैं. दूसरा इज़ द लाइफ लर्निंग, दैट इज़ द सोल लर्निंग. यानी कि जो भी चीज़ें हमारी लाइफ में होती हैं, घटित होती हैं, द चैलेंजेस दैट वी फेस, the obstacles that we face, the patterns that we go through in our lives, basically they are nothing but telling us or trying to tell us one thing, and this is your learning. This is what all of these things try to tell us. ये हमारी लर्निंग है, और जितनी जल्दी हम इस लर्निंग को सीख लेते हैं, जितने जल्दी इस सोल लर्निंग को हम सीख लेते हैं, उतनी जल्दी हमारी एडवांसमेंट जो है वो हो जाती है. इफ़ वी डोंट, then we keep facing that, we keep repeating that pattern, or we keep facing that situation again and again, and perhaps in a more bigger and bigger and bigger fashion. Let's say if somebody has got a soul learning to learn not to have a blind faith on anyone, right? We all say that pure souls are supposed to have, there should not be trust issues and we should have blind faith. But what if the learning of a person is to not have blind faith? What is going to happen? That person is going to again and again face betrayals, धोखा, right? तो जब आपको बार बार धोखा मिल रहा है, अलग अलग रूप में धोखा मिल रहा है, क्या आपके दिमाग में कहीं पर भी ये ध्यान आ सकता है कि ये मेरी लर्निंग हो सकती है? मे बी द यूनिवर्स, मे बी माई सोल हैज़ टू लर्न that I do not have to overtly trust someone. I need to use my intellect, my discrimination, so that I am able to understand what is good and what is not so good. So this is about the moment you identify your soul learning, and the moment you learn it and you don't repeat it, you have, as I said, in your journey to evolvement, you have had an advancement. Another thing is to figure out your life purpose. We all say that, what is my life purpose? We all are wanting to know. But at times the role that we are playing, we also take that as a life purpose. And unless and until something else finally comes to us and we say, okay, yes, now this is my life purpose. So we need to be very clear and in awareness to understand कि क्या हम जो रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं, क्या उसे हमने अपना लाइफ पर्पस समझा है, या फिर हमारा लाइफ पर्पस शायद कुछ और ही है जो वक्त आने पे अनफोल्ड होगा. तो इस चीज़ की अवेयरनेस आना भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. लाइक फॉर इंस्टेंस, अगर कोई बिजनेस में है, लेट्स से somebody is into a jewelry business, and that person would say, okay, I am a jewelry designer, I am into jewelry business, and that's my life purpose. I have to, design jewelry, sell jewelry, and this is what I'm meant for. And over a period of time, maybe after 50 years or maybe after 45 years, that person, there's something else that opens up in that person's life. वो कोई NGO शुरू कर लेते हैं, सोशल एक्टिविस्ट बन जाते हैं, या फिर पॉलिटिक्स में चले जाते हैं. तो कहीं ना कहीं इसके तहत हम देखते हैं कि समाज सुधार जो है वो एक उनका फिर पर्पस बन गया. तो क्या ज्वेलरी उनका पर्पस था, या फिर समाज सुधार करना Yes, serving the community, serving humanity was the purpose. So, this is a little tricky thing to understand what is my true purpose, and your true purpose is perhaps identified over a period of your life, when you have, matured a bit, where the true purpose actually, and this is something which unfolds on its own. You cannot, kind of bring it to yourself. The true purpose is just automatically when the time is right and you are right and you are prepared, is where the true purpose opens up in our lives. So these three things are very important. If we come into awareness of these three things, learn the lessons, whatever challenge, accept it, understand it, that it's my learning, and learn it and do not repeat it. And understand your role. Do not get attached to your role. Just live it. And just see it, and just be an observer to see the role that you're playing, and to identify the life purpose. What is the true life purpose? Let it unfold. किसी भी भ्रम में मत आइए कि ये ही मेरा लाइफ पर्पस है, दूसरी चीज़ क्या शायद नहीं आ पाएगी या नहीं आ सकती. ऐसा नहीं होता. कई बार कोई दूसरी चीज़ या दूसरा पर्पस जो है हमारे सामने आ पाता है. तो आज मैं बस इतना ही आपके सामने लेके आई हूँ. आई एम श्योर दैट इफ़ एनीबडी इज़ गोइंग थ्रू ऑल ऑफ दीज वीडियोज़, and my effort is here to bring you to live a beautiful spiritual way of living. And if you are adopting the practices, or if you're adopting all of these techniques, or all of these values, or all of these things that I tell you in my, one by one in my videos, and I'm trying to convey, I'm sure if you follow it, you are definitely going to be a very different person, and you're definitely going to transform your energies to a large extent. I have done so, and why not you? Thank you so much, and loads of love.